Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to leave Discord server. Now to do that, first thing is open the Discord application of yours and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now that you have been logged in and you are at this page on your home screen, what you need to do over here is you need to go to the server that you want to leave. Tap upon that server. So this is the server that I want to leave from. For that, you need to tap on the three dotted line just beside the server name. You tap on that, which will give you these options. Now in this page, you just scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of leave server. You tap that. Are you sure we want to leave Blox Fruit? You tap on yes. And you can see the server has been removed from the list of server that you currently. So this is a simple way how you can easily leave a Discord server. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.